Recording.
Tell me what kind of jump I should do.
Toe touch.
Toe touch.
Herky.
What kind of
Left herky. Right herky. Pike. Good job.
That handspring?
Yes.
This hits me first. Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
Oh, crap!
Oh, that's me failure. You okay? Good job. Can you record me and I'll do my tuck?
No.
You're rude.
How many tucks did you shoot in here?
3. Now do 3. Now do two herkies and 1 pike. That's a 2 right herky.
Oh.
Do that again.
All done.
Hop it. Hop. Hop it. Gimme.
Bye.
How do I do it? What do I do?
Push the middle button.